All right, y'all ready? So here it is. It's the new spot. It's the new spot. Okay. Boom. Dining room if I need to put anything there, but probably not. It's the bedroom. Walk-in closet, I ain't gonna go in there yet. But then bathroom. Living room. Kitchen. And then this is the bonus room. It's pretty big for what I thought it was. And then we got the balcony. And I'm glad because I'm not by the pool. I got this back area where it's quiet. Look at this, it's the balcony. I go all the way around the apartment. Yes. That's my room, so I can go in there if I need to. Yeah, man, pretty cool, man. I like it. Hope y'all having fun. Happy anniversary.